Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the most important topics in Java. So, four pillars of object-oriented programming. In the previous class, we learned what is object-oriented programming language and what are the four pillars of OOPS. See here, four pillars of OOPS is encapsulation, inheritance, abstractions, polymorphism. In this class, we are going to learn what is encapsulation. See here, encapsulation is the process of binding the data members and method of the program together to do the specific job without revealing the unnecessary details. Means encapsulation means giving the security to the most important part of the object like a data member with the help of private and giving the controlled access using the setters and getters. That thing we can call it as a encapsulation. See here, I will give you an example. AC. In the AC, coolant is the most important part in the AC, right? In the AC, coolant is the most important part in the AC. So we need to protect that, right? So it don't get damaged and we need to protect that coolant. So what we are going to do? We are having the coolant, then we will cover that coolant with some of the hardware components like shell, right? Like shell means we are protecting the coolant with the some of the hardware like we are covering. You can see that in the AC, inside that we are having a coolant, then outermost we are having a layer type, right? Layer type we are having and we are protecting that, right? So this is the example of encapsulations. Means we are giving the security to the most important part of the object like data member with the help of private and giving the controlled access like through the remote. What we are going to do? We are on the AC, then we can increase or decrease that one, right? Like, and we can set the how much we need a temperature, right? So like that we are not directly accessing the coolant, right? So we are touching the coolant and we are setting that value. No, we are not doing that, right? We are operating that with the help of remote, right? So like that we are giving the controlled access using the setters and getters for data hiding purpose and protecting that one. So we are using the encapsulation. Take example of AC itself. So let's go. So I will create one class. So I will give AC. Okay. So we will click on this one. So I told you in AC what is the most important thing? Coolant, right? So for the coolant, I will give private and string, then coolant. Then here we are given a security. See here for the variable what we are given a private. By giving a private we are protecting this one coolant, right? If you want to access that one or if you want to set the coolant, what you are going to do? So we need to make use of the setters and getters. So let's see how we can do that one. So I told you previously we need to use a public to set that one. So void and set data, then string, okay, string and x we will take. Then here coolant equal to x, okay, capital C. Coolant, we are setting the value of coolant with the help of setters, means set data. We are using the setters here. So if you want to access that one, means if you want to return the coolant, you are setting the values and you need to return, right? Let's take you are setting the value as like liquid. See here, you are setting here, right? You need to return that one, right? So let's take, okay, public, then string get data. Here what you are going to return here means return coolant. See here, I will save this one and we will create one more class, I will give AC application. Then click on public static void main. Then here what I'm going to do is I will create a object of that class AC equal to new AC. Then after that I need to set the value, right? AC dot call that one, set data. I will here give liquid. I will give here you are setting the values. AC dot get the data. See, I'm going to explain. See that one. See here. I will draw one thing you will understand in a better way. So way we will draw. Let's take here. I will take another color. Okay. Let's take you are having an AC. Let's take AC. Okay. This is the AC. Here what you are having means we are having a coolant. See here, it is a okay. Coolant. This is a coolant. See here, you are having an AC. In that AC, coolant is the most important part. So this is the coolant. So how we can access that one? We want to access the coolant, right? We need to add the coolant, means we need to on the AC, then we need to set something, right? We need to set like liquid, or if you want to set something, means if you want to decrease the temperature, or if you want to set some values, what you are going to do? Think what you can do. See here, we will make use of the setters and getters because coolant is the private, right? We can't access directly. So what we are going to do means we will make use of setters and getters. It is the methods. We need to make use of this one to set and to get. This is the set, this is the getters. We need to make use of the setters and getters. So let's go. We are having the setters and getters. Okay. If you want to access the coolant, what you are going to do, you will make use of the setters and getters. It is a public, you can make use of these methods and you can set the value. I can get the values. So what you are going to do, let's take, if you want to decrease the temperature, what you are going to do, you will increase the number, right? So you will increase it, the number. You will, let's take, you will press the plus button. What it is going to do, it will cool the room, right? Temperature will be decreased, right? So if you do the plus, then what it is going to do, you are setting the value here, means you are trying to decrease the temperature. Then what you are going to do means this setters, after you are setting, what you are going to do, this one you are setting here. If you want to access that one, what you need to do means after that you are going to make use of the getters to access that AC. It is going to set that if you are clicking on plus, what it is going to do, it is going to set that one. Then after that, after setting the value, means coolant you are setting here, how much temperature you need. After that you need to get that one, right? So here you are getting that one. That's it, you are getting the things. This is how it is going to be work. This is about encapsulation, how it is going to be work. And let's see the code, whatever we are written here. We are taken a coolant and we are given as a private. Then we are setting here set the data string of x, and we are setting the values and we are getting the values, and we are created one more class called as AC application, and here AC is equal to new AC, and we are setting here as a liquid, and we are accessing the get the data. So what we are going to get, let's see, run the program. I will show and console, then I will run the program. What you are getting here, return the coolant, right? So I will do one thing, sys out, I will print that one. So you will understand what it is going to happen. So see here, liquid means, let's see, we are going to set the value as inch, hex, then x string. Okay, I will change here to inch. Let's take, we are here, I will put it to 27. And let's see, here we are giving how much temperature we need, right? It is going to take this one and it is going to set the value here. It will take to the coolant and it is going to set that one. If you want to access that one, you need to call one method called as a get data. Then here you will get, and we are printing that one. Let's save and run the program. See here, 27, your temperature will be changed, your room temperature will be changed. This is how the encapsulation is going to be work. If you have any doubt, comment below, or if you need more clarity, let me know. See you in the next. Thank you.